Guys, what is going on? We're going to talk about Jasmy. We're going to talk about some other things that I feel like everyone needs to know. Make sure you drop a like, though. If we could get this over 300 likes, guys, that would be absolutely amazing. Subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed yet. I'm going to show you in today's video the next target for Jasmy. Okay. Talked about all of this right here. We know exactly where we're at today. I'm going to tell you what I believe will happen in the short term. My next target where we could start to see some more selling pressure. And I'm going to tell you the indicators that I use that paint me this picture. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This is all my own opinion, but let's get right into it, guys. So right now you can see we're under the stack of volume. We talked about this on the last video. We basically rejected this. We came down, but guys, we are holding this support strong. This is a very good sign for Jasmy. About 1.7 all the way down to 1.5. Okay. Support, support, support. Like this thing has touched for weeks now. This is a weekly time frame. So every candle is a week. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I would honestly say it's been about 3 months of support built up here. Very good sign for Jasmy in the long run. So if the bottom is in, guys, the next area that I'm really looking for, and I'll tell you really quick, we need to honestly break above this. We need to break above the 236 level. We need to close above 245, I would say. If we could get a daily candle close at 2.5, that would make me feel really good that the bottom is actually in and Jasmy is ready to go on the next leg up. Okay. Let me know your thoughts out down below if you agree with me or if you think we're going to foil over and come back down. We've talked about Elliott wave. We have wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now we have been doing the ABC correction. This is A, this is B, and this potentially could be C. That's the big question mark right now. Is C in already? And now we're about to take the next leg up, or is C still coming and it's going to go down here? At the end of the day, guys, I think Jasmy will move much higher in the long run. So that's the good sign. So where do I think this is going to be going next? Well, before I get into that, guys, I want to show you one other play that I talked about. Fetch AI, 4 days ago, I posted on the Patreon. I gave my price targets and I said, now is a good time to be buying. When I first made a post about Fetch AI, I was at 84 cents. I alerted Patreon members and a lot of people bought and they made massive gains. So congrats to them. That was like right here where the mouse is down here. Gave my reasons why. Well, 4 days ago, I also said this is a buy, and this is around $1.08. Okay. So now Fetch AI is at $1.39 again. So if you're not a part of the Patreon membership, I would highly recommend you invest in yourself and you join that. If you want more details and you want to start Zooming together, I'm doing group Zoom webinars twice a month on the 1st and the 15th of every month. It's $30 per month to be a part of this group. We have 2 members so far. Once we get to 10, we're also going to be doing a $30 give back. So one member will get their $30 back at the end of the 30 days. So it might be you. You might get a free membership and you're going to learn some things that are going to help you in the long run. If you want to be a part of the whale, $70 a month. This is more one-on-one Zooming. We're going to meet, ask questions, talk, really connect, and see where we can go from there. You obviously have a lot of different things that you get access to. But definitely become a Patreon member. We're shouting out a lot of different cryptos, and we've been doing it all year. All right, guys, so back to Jasmy. Again, this is where we're at. We're under the 21 EMA, so I want to see us move higher. I want to see a daily candle close above 2.5 cents, and then I would feel very, very good about Jasmy. I would confidently feel that the floor is in, because if we go back in time, you can see back in the day, we were trading under the 21 EMA right here. We got back above it, started climbing, tested again, and that was it. So Jasmy could be doing a similar thing right now. The stochastic was also very low like it is today. The RSI was very low like it is today, under the 21 EMA. Right now, under the 21 EMA, crypto, I think, will run massively, and I think Jasmy will be one of those cryptos. So now let me tell you where I think a short-term price target would be for Jasmy. So looking at this, I want to analyze a couple of things. One, I want to get very clear on Keltner lines. This is a great indicator that's going to tell us when to get out. Okay, you can see when it touches this line, good indicator telling us time to sell. Obviously, the asset goes down. So you're going to want to be watching this. Obviously, we're not close to it. The Keltner line right now is at 3.2, 3.1, right at this area right here. So I think Jasmy has a lot of room to run. The Keltner line will move up as the asset moves up. Another thing I'll be watching is the stochastic. When the stochastic gets to a high point, starts curling over, I'll be alerting members on when I'm selling, and they can do what's best for them. And then also with the RSI, if we create negative divergence at all, again on a weekly time frame, if the RSI gets to overbought levels, like let's say above 80, because crypto tends to run all the way up to 100 with the RSI, it's crazy. Jasmy ran all the way to 90 right here and ran to 82 right here. If this starts getting overbought, I'll probably start to take some profit. So those are the three things that I'll be watching closely. With what you see on the screen right now, though, you would probably agree that now is not the time to sell. Now is the time to buy if you believe in Jasmy and hold and wait. So another thing I'll be looking for, and it has to line up with all my other indicators, is Fibonacci. The 1.618 level is at 6.3, okay? So we could rally here, we could pull back, or we could go much higher. I'll also be watching this trend line right here and seeing where is this going to get us to. Okay, the 2.618 level is at 9 cents. And a full Fibonacci retracement, guys, is at 13 to 14 cents. Okay, so these are some things that I'm looking for. But in the short term, I think we could easily pass the old high of 4.4, and we could get at least to about 6 to 6.5 cents right here. Again, it's going to have to line up with all the other indicators that I've been talking about. You also see we have some resistance. I drew a green circle for you right here. This is going to be heavy resistance. This is around 7 all the way to 8 cents. So honestly, guys, the 618 level is 6.3. I'd be watching that level all the way to 8.5 cents. Probably going to see a ton of resistance. But again, what's going to tell us to sell is understanding the stochastic, the RSI, Fibonacci, and everything that I talk about every single day on this channel. So with that, guys, again, this is my own opinion. Do what's best for you. If you want to join the community, check out the links out down below. I hope you have a great day. We'll see you on the next one.